By the time Bolton's bastard got to Winterfell, the Ironborn were gone. They massacred everyone and put the castle to the torch.
So who burned down Winterfell? According to Robb Stark, it was the Ironborn. Ramsay Bolton was sent to Winterfell to give amnesty to the Ironborn in exchange for Theon. But by the time he got there, the Ironborn were gone and it torched the castle. Is this really what happened? Another version of this story is told when Walder Frey asks Roose Bolton what happened in Winterfell after the Red Wedding. Roose says that his bastard delivered Robb's terms to the Ironborn, and they betrayed Theon like expected, but he also said that Ramsay has his own way of doing things. So which version is the truth? The second version is more consistent with what we know. The Ironborn did turn on Theon, and when Ramsay Bolton sent Theon's penis to Balon Greyjoy, he said that he captured the Ironborn at Winterfell and flayed them all living. So if Ramsay delivered the terms, and then proceeded to kill the Ironborn, when did they have time to torch the city? And why would they do it, since Robb Stark was granting them amnesty? The answer is, they didn't have time to do it, and they didn't do it. The person who actually burnt down Winterfell was Ramsay Bolton. But why did Ramsay do this? Was it just because he's crazy? Actually, no. The Northern Lords loved the Starks, and if the Ironborn burnt down their home, there would be renewed effort to remove the Ironborn from the North. And this push against the Ironborn would be led by the new Lord in the North, Roose Bolton. And his plan to unite the Northern Lords against the Ironborn works well enough until Southern King defeats Mance Rayder's army and marches on Winterfell. Like, comment, subscribe, share, check out my other videos. I'll be back next week with a video looking at the Tower of Joy.